couldn't make heads or tails of it.
I can't make heads or tails of these reports.
Can't make heads or tails យើងប្រើ clear idiom មួយនេះនៅពេលដែលយើងមិនអាចយល់ពីអ្វីមួយឬនរណាម្នាក់ដោយសារតែយើងមិនសូវដឹងច្បាស់ពីរឿងនោះឬក៏មនុស្សម្នាក់នោះជាធម្មតាយើងក៏អាចប្រើវាជាទម្រង់ឯកវចនៈផងដែរនោះគឺ can't make head or tail clear នេះកើតចេញពីការលេងបោះប្រាក់កាក់ឡើងលើភ្នាល់គ្នាថា head or tail ដោយខ្មែរយើងហៅថាក្បាលឬកន្ទុយពាក្យថា head តំណាងឲ្យចំហៀងនៃប្រាក់កាក់ដែលមានរូបក្បាលមនុស្សចំណែកឯពាក្យថា tail វិញតំណាងឲ្យចំហៀងដែលមានរូបតំណាងប្រទេសឬក៏តំណាងអ្វីមួយពេលយើងប្រើ clear ថា can't make heads or tails យើងសំដៅលើការមិនប្រកបចិត្តឬការមិនដឹងថាប្រាក់កាក់នឹងធ្លាក់នៅលើដៃយើងវិញនៅចំហៀងខាងណានោះទេឧទាហរណ៍ His handwriting is so bad that we can't make heads or tails out of it មានន័យថាការសរសេរអក្សរដោយដៃរបស់គាត់គឺអាក្រក់ណាស់ដែលពួកយើងមិនអាចយល់ថាគាត់ចង់សរសេរពីអ្វីនោះទេយើងក៏អាចប្រើវាជាទម្រង់ស្របផងដែរនោះគឺ make head or tail of something or someone មានន័យថាព្យាយាមយល់ពីអ្វីមួយឬក៏នរណាម្នាក់ប៉ុន្តែជាធម្មតាយើងប្រើ clear នេះជាទម្រង់បដិសេធ
How can you make head or tail of that?
But I can't make heads or tails about the rock and the roll.
I can't make head or tail of Charlie's chicken scratch.
With this map, I just can't make head or tail of it.
Heads or tails of this?
Make heads or tails of it.
But I can't make heads or tails of this.
I can't make heads or tails of it, but...
The device can't make heads or tails of it.
Strange. Can't make heads or tails of things.
Make heads or tails out of this.
We can't make heads or tails.
This whole master plan, I can't make heads or tails.
I can't make heads or tails about what it is you like.
What does it mean? I can't make head or tail of it.
Well, I can't make head or tail of the cellular thing that David bought.
Well, I sure can't make heads or tails of this.
I can't make heads or tails out of this thing.